Assalamualaikum. Good morning everyone. Hope you all are fine. As we all know, this is the holy month of Ramadan in which we all get blessings. In this month of Ramadan, I am going to assign you a project of pillars of Islam. First of all, I will tell you that how many pillars of Islam are there. The first pillar is Shahadat, that means Gawahi. The second pillar is prayer, that means Namaz. The third pillar is charity, that is compulsory to give, and it means zakat. The fourth pillar is Saum, that means Roza, and the last pillar is Pilgrim, that means Hajj. This was our project. This was the project of today. Now I will tell you about the material that we require for doing this project. Let's see. I have many pieces of charts in different colors. Now I will tell you about the width. Here I have 6 inches of width for each piece of chart and 7 inches of length. Look, all pieces of chart are with the same width and length. Now we need sticker to stick our chart pieces. We need scale to measure the width and length of the charts, and the scissor to cut the charts in different measurements. I also need 2 pieces of charts. This piece I need for the base of the pillars, and this piece I will use to make the bridge of the pillars. Now I will start making the pillars. Here I have chart in one color. Set UHU at one end of the width like this. Use UHU carefully. Now I will roll it like this. Roll it properly by joining the ends. And one pillar is ready. Pillars are ready. Look, I have pillars in 5 different colors: orange, red, black, blue and sea green. 5 are small pillars and the one is big. Look, now it's time to paste them. Here I have the base on which I will paste the pillars. First of all, I will take the orange pillar. Spread sticker in the base of this pillar and paste it like this. Here I pasted all the pillars of Islam. Now I will give them caption, that is Pillar of Islam. Now I will paste the caption on these pillars, that is Pillars of Islam. This was the project of Pillars of Islam. You will complete this project as I do, and you will also make a video while doing this project. You will bring this project when you will be back to school. Have a nice day.